Today, let's go on a journey to learn about a very special dream that changed the world. It started with a wish for peace, where everyone could be treated with kindness and love. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. had a dream that children of all backgrounds could play together as friends. He taught us that when we hold hands and stand together, we can build a brighter future. Let's keep that dream alive by sharing kindness every single day.
He was a leader who used his words to fight for fairness and justice. He believed that everyone, no matter the color of their skin, deserved to be treated with respect.
Martin walked with love and pride, a beacon shining far and wide. With every step he broke the chain, through the fire, through the pain. Standing tall, he changed the tide, with justice as his only guide. The walls of hate began to fall as he answered freedom's call. Dreams so big it touched the sky, no more chains, no more goodbyes. From the mountaintop he cried, let love and justice be
In
our
1963, he brought thousands of people together in Washington, D.C. They gathered peacefully to demand freedom and jobs for everyone. It was a day the world would never forget.
The streets where his could play, where skin and shade don't turn away. Segregation's cruel divide, hope still burned alive inside. With words like fire, bold and true, he painted dreams in red and blue. I have a dream the world could hear, a future bright, a vision clear. Dreams so big it touched the sky, no more chains, no more goodbyes. From the mountaintop he cried, let love and justice be.
His dream was that one day, children of all colors would be brothers and sisters. He wanted a world where we are judged by the content of our character, not by how we look. He taught us about nonviolence. That means solving problems with words and peace instead of fists and anger. Like a dove flying freely, his message spread across the sky. The road wasn't easy, but Dr. King walked arm in arm with others, showing us that when we stand together in unity, we can overcome any obstacle. Today, we honor his legacy not just by remembering him, but by doing good, by helping our neighbors, planting seeds of kindness, and serving our community. So I challenge you today. Be a peacemaker, be a friend, and keep the dream alive in your own heart. Thank you for listening.
Thanks for watching Learning with Ms. Lisa. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures.